How to create Microsoft Teams account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our video. Today in this video we're going to learn how we can create Microsoft Teams account. So without any delay, let's go on with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bells to get notified about our latest videos. So in order to create your own Microsoft Teams account, you need to have the Microsoft application downloaded on your device if you are on a phone. After the download is complete, just head over to the app. After the launch is complete of the app, you can find the create or use account in the home page of the Microsoft. So simply click on that option, and after clicking on it, in order to sign into or create a new account into the Microsoft, you need to enter your email or phone number. So here I'm just gonna type in my email, for example, for now. So in order to continue with the further process, you need to enter a password. I'm just gonna enter a password, or you may just ask for a code to your email address. I'm just gonna ask a code to my email address for now, and I'll be receiving a 6-digit code which I need to enter in order to sign in or create my account in Microsoft. After that, you need to fill in your details in order to go with the further process. Here I am just entering my name and my last name as well. After that is done, you need to enter your birth date, select your birth date. After that, your country and reason, and tap next. And after that is done, you may just read the terms and conditions and click on OK. And it may take a minute or two or some seconds in order for you to go enter in your account. So that's how you basically create your account. After that is done, you'll be switched and logged into the account. So that's how you basically create your account. So follow the same step in order to create your own Microsoft Teams account as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.